How to make a YouTube short. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create an engaging and attention-grabbing YouTube short. YouTube shorts are a fantastic way to showcase your creativity, connect with your audience, and potentially go viral. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, our step-by-step guide will help you master the art of YouTube shorts and boost your channel's visibility. So let's dive in and learn how to make a YouTube short that stands out from the crowd. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. One, choose a captivating idea. Before you start filming your YouTube short, it's essential to brainstorm exciting and attention-grabbing ideas that will captivate viewers within the first few seconds. Since YouTube shorts are all about brevity and quick engagement, focus on creating concepts that are visually appealing, fun, and aligned with your niche and target audience. Consider what kind of content would immediately hook viewers and make them want to keep watching. Whether it's a surprising visual element, a catchy intro, or a compelling story, the goal is to entice viewers from the very beginning. Be creative and innovative with your ideas to stand out in the competitive landscape of YouTube shorts. By carefully planning your concept, you can ensure that your video captures viewers' attention right away and keeps them engaged throughout its short duration. 2. Keep it short and sweet, under 60 seconds. This concise format demands that creators keep their content short and to the point, focusing on a single idea or message they want to convey. Short and snappy clips have a higher chance of capturing viewers' interest and maintaining their attention until the very end. As the platform's audience seeks quick and engaging content, delivering a clear and focused message is essential to keeping them entertained and coming back for more. To achieve this, creators must avoid getting lost in excessive details or lengthy explanations, and instead prioritize delivering impactful content that leaves a lasting impression within a short time span. With attention spans on the decline, YouTube Shorts present a fantastic opportunity to make a powerful impact and connect with the audience in a concise yet effective manner, driving engagement and interest in the content shared. Embrace the challenge of telling compelling stories or sharing valuable information within a limited time frame, and you'll find that YouTube Shorts offer a dynamic and rewarding platform for engaging with your audience. 3. Engage from the start. In the fast-paced world of YouTube Shorts, the initial moments of your video are absolutely crucial for capturing your audience's attention. To hook viewers right from the start, it's essential to create a captivating introduction that instantly draws them in. Whether it's through eye-catching visuals, captivating music, or an intriguing question, the goal is to pique their curiosity and make a powerful first impression. By starting strong, you'll encourage viewers to keep watching and explore what your video has to offer. Remember that the attention span of online audiences is short, so you need to deliver something attention-grabbing within those first few seconds. A well-crafted introduction will set the tone for your entire YouTube short and can determine whether viewers stay engaged or move on to another video. So take the time to plan and create an opening that compels your audience to stay and watch the rest of your content. Embrace creativity, be concise, and captivate your viewers from the very beginning to keep them hooked throughout the duration of your video. 4. Optimize for vertical viewing. Since the majority of users watch YouTube Shorts on mobile devices, it's essential to optimize your video for vertical viewing. This format fills the screen, providing a seamless and immersive experience for viewers. By utilizing the vertical orientation, you maximize the available screen real estate, allowing your content to be more engaging and visually appealing. Additionally, vertical videos are more user-friendly on mobile devices, eliminating the need for users to rotate their screens. By catering to the preferred viewing format, you enhance the overall viewer experience and increase the chances of your YouTube short being well received and shared among the mobile audience. 5. Add captions or text overlay. Adding captions or text overlay to your YouTube Shorts is essential because many viewers watch these videos without sound. Captions make your content more accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Additionally, since viewers often scroll through their feeds quickly, bold and legible text can quickly convey your message, capturing their attention within seconds. Clear text overlay enhances understanding, especially when your visuals might not fully explain the context. It also keeps viewers engaged even in noisy or quiet environments. By using concise and impactful text, you create a compelling narrative that complements your visuals, making your YouTube short stand out and leaving a lasting impression on your audience. 6. Utilize trending audio and music. Leveraging popular audio and music tracks that are trending on the YouTube Shorts platform can significantly enhance the performance of your video. Trending audio not only adds to the entertainment value, but also helps boost your video's visibility in the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm takes into account factors like watch time, engagement, and viewer retention. Using popular audio that resonates with viewers can increase these metrics, making your video more likely to be recommended to a wider audience. It taps into the existing popularity of the audio, attracting viewers who are already engaging with content using that specific track. As a result, your YouTube short has a higher chance of going viral and gaining more likes, comments, and shares. By aligning your content with trending audio, you can capitalize on the current online trends and maximize your video's reach and impact. 7. Experiment with special effects. YouTube Shorts provide creators with a plethora of creative tools and effects to add flair and uniqueness to their videos. Embrace your creativity by experimenting with filters, stickers, and transitions, making your content visually appealing and captivating. These creative elements can inject personality into your videos, reflecting your style and brand. Whether it's adding fun stickers to emphasize certain moments or using transitions to create smooth visual storytelling, these tools enable you to make your YouTube shorts stand out from the crowd. Don't be afraid to be playful and try different combinations to find what best complements your content and resonates with your audience. The more you explore and utilize these creative features, the more your videos will become a true reflection of your artistic vision, drawing viewers in and keeping them entertained. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible adventure. We hope you enjoyed the video and gained some valuable knowledge from it. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, there's plenty more exciting content coming your way, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a thing. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and have an amazing day.